Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you all the materials you need to make the monster doll, the Labubu, and we'll start working on the ears. I'll be using some plastic parts, the monster's face, hands and arms. You can find them online. I got mine on AliExpress. I'll leave the link in the description box so you can grab yours too. For this project I'll be using Alize Softy yarn. It's super fluffy and perfect for that soft plush texture you want for Labubu. We'll also need some scrap yarn in any color. It won't be visible, so just use what you have at home. You'll need some stuffing to fill the toy, a 2.5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and very important, a glue gun. For the first row, you will have 6 single crochets into a magic ring. I'm using orange color Alize Softy yarn. For the second row, you will have 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You will be finishing second row with 6 stitches. If you've never worked with Alize Softy yarn before, it can be a bit tricky. The stitches are harder to see because of the fluffy texture. What you can do is to take a thin cotton yarn in a similar color and hold it together with the Alize Softy while you crochet. That way, it's much easier to see where your stitches go. We start third row with an increase, so we have 2 single crochets into the same stitch and continue with 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches. This is my increase, so 2 single crochets into the same stitch, and then we continue with 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches. We repeat this 2 times, 1, 2, and now we have an increase, 1, 2 single crochets into the same stitch, and we continue with 2 single crochets. By the end of third row, you will have 8 stitches. For the fourth and fifth row, we will only single crochet around. We will have 8 single crochets per round, so 2 rounds with 8 single crochets. That will be 16 stitches in total, and then we will Once you finish the first ear, just repeat the same steps for the second one. Now look at my monster, isn't he cute? I picked orange for that Halloween vibe. My girls love the toys, especially in their favorite colors, and that's why I just had to make another character, even though I said I wouldn't.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Friday for the head part of the pattern.